What's up, everybody? Ron here. Making this video show you how I unlock my phone. The reason why I unlocked it is I was locked into a contract with AT&T, and they pretty much just they put all this stuff on my plan that I didn't approve of, and then they told me that my phone would be locked in and I had to pay for the direct TV. This is all stuff that they authorized. I didn't authorize none of this stuff. So I already had a T-Mobile phone right here, and I have my T-Mobile SIM card. So I went to this website. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you the website I went to the unlockingcompany.com, and I have a Note 9. So I went to Samsung. I put in Galaxy. Let's find it. Note 9. I hit unlock. And then it asked me where was it purchased and the carrier, which was AT&T. And I click next. And then what I had to do, which I'll show you from my other. So I had to put this code in to get my IMEI number. I'll show you how to do that. I put my name in, I put my email address and my phone number. But then you have to purchase this as well, and they'll respond back to you. They did mine within like 24 hours. I would say that their turnaround time is amazing, and I appreciate the communication all the way through the process. I really appreciate it. I needed this because I have doctor's appointments I have to make it to, and you know how these phone companies get, they charge you all of this money, and then when it's time for them to work in your favor, they do not care. So I appreciate you guys at the unlockingcompany.com for helping me, but I'm going to show you guys what I did next. And now what I'm about to do is I'm going to remove my SD card. I'm going to show you that my phone has AT&T. I'm going to show you in a special kind of way with a special app that my phone is set up for AT&T, and then after I'll show you with T-Mobile. But this is the unlocking process. Let's begin. So I got my PIN, and I'm about to eject my SIM card.